Everybody. We're going to do a little update rundown of our Duke Nukem Time to Kill recreation projects. So every Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are streaming some Duke Nukem 3D Let's Plays, playing some community levels that fans have made, while I myself try to make my own levels too. So right now we're trying to work on a recreation of the first level of Duke Time to Kill, a Tomb Raider-esque PS1 game. But we're bringing it into the first-person shooter 2.5. So, trying to tackle how we're going to do that with the issues we have with the engine. But anyways, here's the start. I posted some other updates of most of this, so we're actually going to skip a lot of this, except for this gun. I want to grab this just because I want it for the main update, which is what we worked on this Saturday. So just today. So we didn't touch most of the main area. We got that done previously, but we did start working on the side area, which is a little secret in the original. So the back rooms where I guess the strippers would get changed and stuff. And then there's a little Easter egg in here. So when you open up this, there's Laura Croft's outfit. I haven't done that yet, but the area is done. I was actually expecting to get this whole section completed, like all the detailing, like plates and some other stuff that around, and I finished the bartender area and some other props and things. But I didn't realize that I was going to run into an issue here. How this engine that powers Duke Nukem 3D handles mirrors, because it's kind of like an illusion. So the issue that we have is you can't have two mirrors at once. So what I was running into here is we have a mirror here, and when you open up the secret, technically that's a mirror right there. So I tried to cover it up a little bit with some haziness to kind of block it, because once you get into a certain view right here, then you're a-okay. So this kind of blocks it from the player's perspective, so it's not as noticeable until you get close, and you still get the effect of having a mirror where you can see the stage and everything, which is what I wanted. But then we pose another problem, because then there's a second mirror in here. And so when you're facing this wall, you'll have two. And what that causes is this weird glitchy effect that you see here, where it's kind of like ghosting. Again, it's not as noticeable now that we have this here, but it's like smearing the level across. So that would happen in either one of these mirrors. Just couldn't render them both. So the way to fix this is I have to build a little wall around this. So this is a little wall, and then behind there is one big giant mirror that goes across this entire thing. And that's how you can have two mirrors in one spot. So there's still some other things we might change up in here, but for the most part, we got everything nailed down. Destroyed a chair. Well, I didn't pick up. So we'll finish the little Easter egg tomorrow. Code this as, next Saturday. Code this as an actual secret. Maybe add some extra lighting here just to smooth out this pass. And then it's just doing some texture refining here so that things are lining up a little bit better. Some misalignments. Adding a few more props and sprites, and then finishing this bartender area. And then this area is done. Done. Other than maybe tweaking some of the enemy placement. But yeah, then this is done, and then we're on to the streets. We'll probably start working on that, hopefully, next week, Saturday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.